Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 1935, maximum number of words you can type. This is easy, so next I will show you my thought process and an efficient solution. We're given some text and some broken letters and we need to return the number of words that we can type which don't include any broken letter. Let's see an example. If we are given this text and these broken letters, this is a valid word and this is not valid because here we have a D and D is one of our broken letters. And given that we only have one valid word, we just return 1 in this case. So the approach is very simple. We can split this text and for this we can use the split function. And in case you know how this works, this takes a separator as an argument and we can use a single space here. Why? Well, because we know that every word is separated by a single space, so here we have a single space. And what this returns is an array with every word. And next we can iterate each word individually and check if we have any of these broken letters in each word, and if we don't, we just add 1 to our result. So as you can see, the logic here is very simple. I think this is more sort of like an easy coding challenge. So now with this in mind, let's go with the code. First, we want to get an array with every word, so we can transform text. This is now text.split, and here we are using a single space as separator, and broken, this is broken letters. This will transform this into a set. I think this is not necessary, but by doing this we can avoid duplicates. And now the result is 0. And for every word in text, remember now we are iterating words instead of characters. And if here we can use any, and we are iterating every character in the current word, and we are checking if any character is in broken letters, we can just continue, else we add 1 to the result, and finally we can return result. So this is it for the code. Now let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. Here time and space complexity is roughly big O of n, where n is the size for the text. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.